How's it going, everybody? My name is dushaunwilliams, and today we're going to be going over the collector's edition of Kingdom Hearts 3. This is the one you can only get on the Square Enix store. It's about something dollars. I don't think that's kind of relevant anymore. You do get all this stuff, and I think this is probably going to be pretty short because some of the stuff does ship separately. Like, it's not just one big box as I thought it was. I actually thought, like, when I first opened it, I thought this was the box for the whole thing, but this is actually just one set and everything else comes separately. So we're just gonna kind of go through a lot of the stuff real quick and, you know, let's have some fun. So the first big thing that you can only get in this set is, of course, the figurine. The figurines actually look pretty nice. They're nice size. You can change a lot of the body parts and everything. You can change the arms, you can change the hands, you can change even the head for Sora. So I think that this actually works out really well, and it looks really nice coming out of the box, but like the way that I kind of see it almost reminds me of some of those kind of out toys that you kind of see like at some of like the random mall stores, like those ones that come in the box where it's like, here has all these different characters that come into it. That's kind of looks at to me, so I gotta open it up to see how the actual figurines actually look and feel. Alright, so I semi kind of taking some of these out, and you can kind of see that there's just two sets of plates here. You don't actually see these until you actually open it up, but I guess these are going to be how you kind of pose them, hold them up, do all the crazy stuff, and then you have another kind of set that the characters themselves come in. So first, pulling out Sora as the first one to kind of look at, and honestly, it actually is kind of pretty cool. It doesn't feel as cheap as I thought it would be. Kind of a little bit posable. I guess like the hips are kind of stuck. Like, I won't say stuck, but they don't come out as much. But you can pose it in some kind of different ways, shape, or fashion. It does look kind of nice though. It does kind of feel like a really stiff toy. Got the Keyblade, what I'm guessing is going to be also from the Toy Story world. And none of these hands can hold it, so I need to get a particular hand. I need this hand. And I need to find some way how to Jimmy rig this guy to hold this thing. And I always hate doing stuff like this because it's like, I know why they did it, to make sure like you can actually hold it. But they also make it like just stupid impossible to kind of put these in. Like, you gotta fit it in between his almost closed fist and a thumb. Like, that's ridiculous. I don't even know how to even start with this thing. But whatever, I gave up. I'll worry about doing it when I actually take like some action poses of the figure or whatever. It'll probably look cool then. Taking out Goofy. Goofy's the same. Feels a little bit heavier. Even his wings can, or not wings. His dog ears can also kind of bend too somewhat, but like everything kind of looks like it only supposed to bend slightly. It's not supposed to bend any more than what you need it to do. So same thing with kind of Donald here. It's like, you know, like pretty much, hey, you know, I can do this and all that, which is, he's actually feel like the most flexible for the one that probably don't have too much that could walk with. But yeah, same thing, he can only flex so much. So little figures and all that. This is kind of how all three of them look side to side. Actually, not too bad. I'll play with that some more at a different time. Right now, I just don't got the time because I want to play the game already. So the next part is that comes separately are the stickers, what it looks like. I guess these are for all the different worlds, which kind of tells me what we're going to be able to kind of do. Which hopefully this aren't the only worlds. I kind of wish there were more worlds within the game itself. But yeah, you got Kingdom of Corona. Yeah, that does say Corona. Toy Box, Monstropolis, San Fran Tokyo. I know it's said differently in the movie. Twilight Town, and oh no, that's mine. You can get that at my own store. You don't have to buy this to get that. Link down in the description. Alright, now we kind of get to the what everybody else could have got if they didn't go through the Square Enix store. The actual crazy looking things, you get the pin. I actually like how the pin looks. It actually looks pretty nice. Looks like it's actually kind of detailed with a lot of the popping up. Kind of want to do this to my own logo, like this kind of pin. I was kind of interested in doing those kind of, you know, emblem kind of pins and stuff. Let me know what you think about that. You get the game itself. Game looks nice. I love the box art for the game. But you get the steel case, which looks looks just as fine. It's like subtle and at the same time not really if you really look at it, but still casing, just what you get. And of course, the thing that matters the most is of course an art book. Trying to see if I'm supposed to look at this in the English way or the Japanese way. Let's say use the English way. Okay, so gives you the kind of different characters. You can look at some of the kind of screenshots of the game, some of the characters, more screenshots, more characters. And then towards the end, I saw, there you go, like you got like the keyblades and all that. I really like this picture. I don't know why. It just looks really nice. Like, it just looks like a boss. Not a Keyblade Master, but at least he could look like a boss. Anyways, what we got? What we got? Actually, no, I think that's it. I think that is it. To be honest, I do wish that there was more that kind of came in this. I think the overall price might be a little harsh, even though the kind of like the characters, the figures and all that, like they're movable, they're posable, they look nice, you can do some cool stuff with it. They come with stands and it almost reminds me of those Nedroids that you can kind of get, except they're more the full size figures than anything. I guess for how much it costs, I would probably give this a B. Just because I don't see you being like not satisfied with what you get. I do feel like a lot of these collector's editions that come out and everything, I feel like they don't give you enough for the dollar that they're asking for. And I've already seen like this part alone being like absurdly expensive online, people trying to sell it and stuff. And I mean, quite honestly, like if you see this for a ridiculous price, don't buy it. I'll tell you right now, it's worth how much it kind of cost, but not worth it a penny more. So please don't do that. With this, I think that is it. I just kind of wanted to kind of go through this. It all looks nice. I'm happy to finally get it. This came a day late for me, so I am unhappy with UPS because once again, they always make things complicated. Please quit doing that. And you know, I actually really like this. I can't wait to play. That's all I can say. That's the way that I'm gonna end this video. I can't wait to play. With that, there's also other stuff I do want to say. If you like the video, please like it, share with your friends, all that nice good things. Let me know how you like the unboxing. Also, if you want to see more content, you know, go ahead, please subscribe to the channel. I'd like to see you in the next video. We have some stuff coming out this week that I hope you enjoy, and some other kind of stuff that we're trying to add on to the channel. And of course, like I said earlier, I do have a merch store where you can get stickers like this, as well as shirts, hoodies, and all other kinds of good things, as well as a new shirt that I put out that will also be up there already. It's already live at the store. With that being said, hopefully everything that you saw today will help you make a better and more informed decision tomorrow.